Hello and welcome to the overview of Agent Advantage, where we will review the benefits of your free Agent Advantage account. Agent Advantage was created with one thing in mind: you. That's right, we created Agent Advantage to help agents across the country grow their business. The goal is to make your life easier, help you look good, and help you earn more money. So, how exactly are we doing it? Well, we offer all of our agent partners free access to Agent Advantage, which includes Refer a Client, the easiest way to get your clients pre approved, Loan Status Monitor, so you can get loan milestone updates in real time, access to a full suite of co branded marketing materials, including email, print, and web marketing. And this is all complete with a coaching library of tutorials, on demand interviews with top agents, and access to live monthly webinars with industry thought leaders. It sounds pretty great, huh? Let's take a closer look at Refer a Client. The Refer a Client tool within Agent Advantage allows you to easily introduce your clients to your lending partner through text message or email. Simply enter your client's information and leverage the pre-built introduction template to initiate the connection. Once approved, you will gain access to real-time loan status updates through our Loan Status Monitor. Loan Status Monitor provides you with these real-time updates so you know exactly where your client is in the loan process 24/7. Each time the loan moves to a new step, you can choose to be notified via email or text message so you're always in the loop. Connecting with your preferred lending partner through Agent Advantage also provides you with a complete marketing platform powered by our friends over at Total Expert to help you promote your business and provide you with all the brand building tools you've been looking for. A few highlights include being able to manage your database, send emails across the customer journey using pre-built templates, or of course, crafting your own, and even add a layer of automation through drip campaigns. Of course, Agent Advantage will also provide you with the feedback you need to know what marketing efforts are working. So you may be thinking here, what does Agent Advantage offer to help me promote my listings? Well, that's a great question. Agent Advantage has what I like to call the big three: print marketing, single property sites, and lead capture apps, all there to help you promote each and every one of your listings. Agent Advantage has a complete library of co-branded materials that are auto-populated based on MLS information for print marketing. This makes it easy to create a property flyer in seconds, and we even have neighborhood reports to position you as a trusted advisor in the local area. Of course, you can also take advantage of the just listed, just sold, every door direct mail postcards to expand your reach in a specific geographic location. Single property sites are beautifully crafted websites that showcase each of your listings. And would you believe me if I said that they can be created in just a few clicks? No website design necessary? That's right, it's just that easy. These single property sites can be shared with your network and even posted to your social media channels. And then when it's time for the open house, you may consider creating a lead capture app for a digital sign-in experience. These registration pages can be accessed on any device and automatically sync back to your Agent Advantage database. The best part? You can preset automation to make sure no leads fall through the cracks. And that's not all. Agent Advantage also comes with a full coaching library that includes live monthly webinars, recorded replays with easy to digest quick tips and tutorials, and even in-depth interviews with top agents like you. And of course, our dedicated support team is always here to help. If at any point in time questions arise, feel free to give us a shout.